tools which we are going to cover in our training session. So when you get data from the surveyor, from the clients in the company, points, point groups, point clouds. So these are the tools which help you to design at your own. This is the typical images for the rail assemblies, what we design in the software. It is just not a rendering image, it contains all technical data. This is also the next image where the Civil 3D can go up to. So not only the railways or not only the highways, but we can actually design the roundabouts, highway locations, highway layouts or road layouts in Civil 3D with all minimum and maximum design criteria. So typically design means not only the structure design, not only the RCC design, it is also a land development design. So we do the land development design using the Civil 3D software. We change the layout for the existing terrain, existing ground as per our one of the client's requirement, as per the client's or architectural's proposed plan. With respect to that, we also derive the values using the Civil 3D, like how much cut is going to be there, how much fill is going to be there, what would be the elevations, what would be the elevations for the proposed ground, proposed house, what would be the slope from driveways, from house building to the end of the road, the right of way, what would be the right of way. Survey engineering can be covered in the Civil 3D. And again, if you design the road with horizontal and the vertical geometry, you can also design the pipe network also. So in the bottom of the image, you can see the pipe network, a random pipe network I have designed earlier. So it contains some design data, pipe size, pipe dimensions, pipe material, and its flow capacity. So everything can be calculated in the Civil 3D. You can see the next image, random image for the highway with connecting the road. We can design that. This is the real pic, you can say, for the highway engineering. If you see the bottom of the bottom image, there is a highway going across the existing ground. So there may be cut, there may be fill across the length of the road. So we can get those values. Where would be cut? Where would be fill? We can have the sections also. For every chainage, we can have a chainage along the road alignment, the center line of the road. Everything what we do as a survey on the highway engineering, we can have all the data in the Civil 3D. We can derive the data, we can create sections directly once we just input the values. It gives us sections in the fraction of the seconds. The top image contains a commercial building layout with proposed road in front of it and a pond section. So as I already said, we can design the pipe networks also. We can design pond with storm calculations using the rainfall intensity in that area using the design manuals. So I'll be covering all the syllabus in the Civil AutoCAD Civil 3D, what we have as per the standards. Then this is the random image of the survey, what I have done already. So left image contains a plan view of a proposed layout given by the architect, and the green color lines are actually 3D surface of the existing one, green and the gray color. If you see the 3D view in the right side, so I have some data with the surface, the existing ground, what was earlier, and the green colored surface or image, you can say, with building pad and the pond are the proposed one. So what it is going to design, how it is going to erect, how it is going to cut the site, all we can visualize earlier at the design stage using the Civil 3D only. Also, if you want to analyze some surface or some area, so how much is going for the slope? Is it slope or slopey? Is it a flat? So we can have that using the Civil 3D. So if you have the surface, you can directly analyze that surface. You can assign that surface some random values using the elevations criteria, using the slope criteria, using the contour criteria. You can have the values regarding your requirement and with the surface and 3D solutions also. So using these values later on, you can also execute the site using your values. So last for career choice. So why is it used for career choice? Is it good? Is it worthy? You might have a question. So firstly, I want to tell you, you may be a fresher, you may be appearing engineering degree, you may be a student, you may be a site engineer, or in the infrastructure petroleum domain. And anyone can learn this software and develop a skill set directly by sitting at a one place. So if you see the screen, one can develop a skill set with software and utilize himself to build its career path. Site engineers working in the infrastructure fields, as I already said, transportation department, highway engineering, various sites and domains all have a huge opportunity to grow career using Civil 3D. Civil 3D or civil engineering site is not only limited to site execution. So I want to tell you again that site execution is not limited for the civil engineering. Drafting and designing is also a very important role in the civil engineering. It is used to prepare the drawings which are used in major construction projects such as highways, pipelines, or bridges. So later on, I will be sharing another PDF I have for the construction document sheet set. So why I told you that site execution is not only limited for the civil engineering. This is the main reason. As a civil engineer, our language is a sheets or drawings. So ultimately, drawings is a language for the civil engineer. Firstly, it should be. Language should be the drawings only. So we prepare the civil construction plans for various sites. They would be US sites, UK sites. They would be the Middle East. They would be the Indian also. So everyone require the civil construction document set as you are seeing on the screen. This is the first page of the drawing set. It contains the index of the plan sheets. So we all design and draft for a project to project, for every project. So if you have a site, you have to create the index of the sheets generally like this. It contains some random sheets like the demolition plan, the site plan, grading plan. So demolition plan actually shows up what are the structures existing on the sheets or existing on the sites are going to remove by the developer. The site plan shows us the proposed architectural plan set proper in our site margins, meets and bounds or properties. Then the utility plan shows. The utility plan shows us the proposed pipe network is how it is going from existing highway up to the site. So utilities may be the water, the storm sewer, the anything or sanitary sewer also. We can design in the Civil 3D. If you go further, this is the preliminary plat, the existing survey. So we prepare the topographic sheets also using the Civil 3D. We can have the 3D view for the surface. So surface would be the existing surface or the proposed surface. So these are the some sheets in the Civil 3D. If you check the site plan, this is the site plan. So what we have already existing surface below the site plan. We have that data, and the architecture gave us the site plan. He wants a proposed building here, he wants proposed parking here, and he wants the connection of the road. But it does not work out using only the line work he gave. We have to design, we have to give the elevations, we have to give the connection using the existing one. Also we have to design all the storm line work is going from under the parking area. We cannot design using the AutoCAD 2D or any other software. Closely, the RCP pipe, reinforced concrete pipe, a strong pipe is going below the ground, and we have designed that. As Civil 3D software is limited to the survey engineering, so we can have a quick section views, profile views using one command, one single click. Only one single click, you have the pond elevations, pond sections, or proposed road sections in your drawing. You can have that. So this was a typical actually example project what I had in the PDF format. And now I will be sharing the CAD file with you, a generic user interface. Before showing a CAD example, I would like to go in the model space. So this is the Autodesk product, Autodesk Civil 3D. So it actually includes a drafting tab, AutoCAD 2D tab. So when we are starting the trainings, the first 2 days would be the training on the 2D commands. You can say the crash course for the first 2 days. 2 days. Basic some 2D commands. Page setup would be there. How can you use model space and the paper space in the AutoCAD? Everything would be covered in the first 2 days. And later on, the Civil 3D tab would be open for a training to you. This is the design tab. Earlier I have shown this design tab, feature line, road alignment, profile, road corridor, the intersections, the pipe network, assemblies, the profile views. What I already shown in the PDF, when you cut the road on the center line, you can see the profile view also with the chain edges. Sample lines and the sections views. The section views are the perpendicular with the profile views. So you can all derive using the Civil 3D. And going forward with the surface I have. So I must show you the 3D surface. From the last 15 to 20 minutes, I was just speaking about the surface. So what surfaces actually look like. So if I click this and check a 3D view, this is a 3D surface what I have, the existing surveyor data. Existing surveyor gave me. This is the existing terrain, blank. This is the proposed surface I have created using my proposed values. If you check the proposed building, it has the floor finish level 80 RL. So if I have designed that using the Civil 3D. So it contains a proposed building pad elevation, it contains parking, it contains a connection from highway to our site. So it has all technical data. And I can have the volume reports, like I already said, how much cut is going there, how much fill is going there. I can have all the values using the volume dashboard by comparing the two surfaces. So this is mainly a grading tool. One of the tool we are going to learn in the training session. If you check the grading tab here, so I will be briefing in detail one by one in a tool. We have also a Civil 3D syllabus. On day wise, I have divided the tools. will be shared later with you. From my side, just